All right. Here is the helicopter. The police helicopter going to take off. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Say yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, Andrew? Okay. Say do it.
Do it.
Say do it. Say do it.
I don't want to say that.
Say do it.
I don't want to say that.
Okay, here we go. Here it goes. Gotta turn it on. Turn this on. Here it goes.
You gotta get it closer. I can't get them in there. Do it right in front of them.
Andrew, you steer. Ready? Turn it. Turn it. Whoa, I keep getting the things mixed up.
That almost broke.
Let's do it again.
Daddy, that almost broke.
It's not gonna break. Ready? Come on, turn
Daddy,
it.
I want to tell you something that almost
Here
broke.
we go. Here we go. Ready?
Keep it close to you.
Alright, ready? Turn it. Turn it. Turn it, Andrew. Go. See? Alright, Taylor, turn it. Turn it. Ready? Turn it. Whoa. Okay, Andrew, turn it. Ready? Andrew, turn it. Good job. Okay, let's turn it. Whoa! Okay, let's see if we can land it.
Get it close to you. Can you move it close?
Okay, let's try to land it on the helicopter pad. We did it!
Do it again.
That's all. I ran out of charge again.